What is up, guys? Cummins Kyle back again to bring you guys a new video. So today we're going to be fixing something that's been annoying the shit out of me for the past 3 or so months. So let's get right into it. So literally I'd be cruising down the road and I'd hear a constant like ticking sound or something from the interior. Initially I thought it was the blower motor. That's what controls the, your heat and AC that blows the air out of the vents. But I tightened that down, still nothing. So I'm looking at the cup holder, I'm looking at everything, trying to figure out what the hell is making the noise. Seeing if maybe it was the dash or something, and I couldn't pinpoint the noise. Then my buddy Nico, he tightens the glove box. Still nothing. So, I think I pinpointed the problem, and here it is. So obviously we have a loose door panel down here. So what I went ahead and did was I bought some new clips, and it looks like this is actually bulging right here where the speaker is. So maybe the speaker's too big or something. I'm not sure. Either way, I'm going to pull this apart right now, and then we're going to get it back together, look at it, give it a look, and we'll see what happens. So simply to remove the door panel on these trucks, we start off by taking this off right here with a screwdriver, obviously. Once we remove that and that, looks like this one's already loose. That could be an issue right there in itself. Once we get that loose, I'm going to put everything up there. Make sure you don't lose everything. A magnetic catch pan is optimal anytime you're doing this type of stuff. Then we remove these right in here. And then I will see you guys when I'm done removing these. And then right underneath the door handle is a little hex bolt. That should come right out, boys. And then we pretty much just lift straight up, pop the clips, and it should come right off the whole door panel. Easy peasy. Pretty much just work all the way around. Should pop right out. Yeah, don't be afraid to pull hard. It comes right out. And yeah, let me finish this up. Alright guys, so we got it out, and you don't have to take those two bolts out, that can stay right in there. You just have to loosen them so they come off the threading right here. But anyways guys, I found something which is a perfectly freaking logical explanation as to why it's making so much noise, rattling so much. Boom. Do you see this right here? There's a massive speaker grill over this Pioneer speaker. That's not supposed to be there. That's what that's for. So literally it made it so much harder for the door panel to clip right in. So plain and simple, I just have to take this grill off the front right here, pop the door panel back on, put all the new clips on, and then it is time to reassemble it, and then we shouldn't have any more noise at all. It should be nice and quiet in the cab, no more squeaks. And then I can pay more attention on my tire noise and my engine noise, because that's all we care about. So, alright boys, I'll see you in a sec. Alright, so I got it all buttoned up. I just got to put the the door handle back on here. I accidentally scratched that there. I don't know. My bad. 20-year-old truck. Do what I can. Fuck me, right? Anyways, that should clean up a little bit. With some Lucas. We'll see though. It is a scratch though. I also got this working again. It worked, it was down deep. It was just a clip. It wasn't clipped properly, so I just re-clipped it. And everything is nice and solid, good to go. And yeah. Alright guys, so like I said, that should fix the squeaking in the truck. Definitely take a look at your door jam, well, your door panels. Let's say you have a squeak. Just go ahead, grab your door, give it a shake, see if it's nice and tight. Luckily now mine is. But besides that, guys, I know this video was probably boring for you guys. It was boring for me to make only because who wants to be, sitting there taking apart a door panel, stuff like that. But definitely stay posted for tomorrow's video. It's definitely going to be a lot more exciting than this. Thank you guys again for watching. If you are new, subscribe. Welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. Thanks again for watching. Cummins Kyle out. Have a good day.